Hello everyone, it's me Sam, aka Super Marnies. So yeah, I am Super Marnies. So I just well, if you know me from that channel, then go check it out. Yeah. So yeah, this channel is basically about me making ceiling fan videos. Yeah. So what I have right here is a Landmark Plus, well, a Hampton Bay Landmark Plus, and it's 42 inches as you can see. And last August when we came back from my aunt's house, and we put this chain on the light fixture, and today I decided to not have it on there anywhere, but I'm still gonna keep it. Also, it has a pink ribbon kind of thing, because when I was at my aunt's house, every time when I went to my aunt's house, when I couldn't reach the fan chains, they would always put strings on me for me to pull them. So yeah, we put this one back on. So anyways, let me tell you about the fan. So I got it as a Christmas present that I got from my dad, and I was really happy because I love ceiling fans. And yeah. Well, my dad installed it in 2011, I think. I don't know. Anyways, here's the light. Yeah, I got it some light bulbs, and then the light bulbs came with the fan. The other light bulbs. I can't remember the names of the light bulbs, so was it energy efficient? I don't know. Anyway, so I'm going to show you the speeds. Here's low. Also, as you guys notice, I'm recording with my iPod. Yeah. I don't know why, but my iPad over there is charging. So yeah. Goes really fast on low. Gotta admit. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna try to find. Here's there's the top of it. As you can see, on the other side is the white side. Yeah. Anyways, that's it for low. Let's turn on medium. Kind of wobbles, but doesn't wobble that much. Anyways, that's it for medium. Now here comes high. Yep, there goes wobbling. It's, you know what, here's something funny. Whenever I see a ceiling fan wobble, it kind of means that they're kind of dancing. It means that they're dancing. Hmm. Anyways, I'm going to turn it off. Also, here's another thing. Yeah, I have 2 other ceiling fans out there in the same room. I think those are Hampton Bay Mataris. Yeah, I think they are named that. So yeah, I'm gonna let this fan slow down. Oh, and also, guys, here's the thing. Here's something wrong with the light chain. Every time I pull it on the pendant, see, it comes off. Wait, hold on. Okay, there. Yeah, that's the problem with. That's kind of the problem with the light chain. Yeah. Yeah, there's another top view. So yeah, so this was the first ceiling fan that I have installed in my house. And I really like it. Really like this fan. Anyways, just let it stop. Let me show you this little chain. I really like it. If you're wondering where this chain came from, it came from It came from one of 2 old game room fans at my aunt's house that are officially gone now. They're taken down. Yeah. So yeah, rest in peace for them. So yeah, I'll make more ceiling fan videos later. Okay? So bye, and I hope you enjoyed my first video.